Welcome to back my channel CarCrest, Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026. This collaboration between two major players, Toyota and Bajaj, has resulted in a practical, efficient, and future-ready vehicle that's turning heads across the auto industry. Starting with the design, the Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026 combines functionality with a fresh modern appeal. It carries the classic rickshaw silhouette but with refined curves and sleek details that bring a premium feel. The front fascia is slightly more aggressive compared to traditional autos, offering integrated LED indicators, a more robust bumper design, and a smarter placement of lights for better night visibility. The build quality feels sturdier than earlier models, hinting at Toyota's influence on the overall engineering and finish. Under the hood, or rather under the seat, the 2026 CNG rickshaw is powered by a newly developed 216cc CNG engine. This powertrain is designed for low emissions and high mileage, which is crucial for daily commuters and commercial operators. It generates approximately 10 horsepower, providing a balance between fuel economy and reliable performance in city traffic. It also features an updated transmission that delivers smoother shifts, helping drivers manage stop-and-go traffic with greater ease. The cabin is where Toyota's touch is most noticeable. The new model focuses heavily on driver comfort and passenger convenience. The driver's seat is more ergonomically designed, featuring improved cushioning and adjustable settings. The dashboard gets a digital speedometer, fuel gauge, and a multi-info display that shows trip data and efficiency stats. For passengers, the backseat has better legroom and headspace, along with more cushioned seating and an improved suspension system that reduces road vibrations. This makes the ride feel more stable and less tiring, even over longer distances or rougher roads. Safety, often overlooked in the auto rickshaw segment, receives a much-needed upgrade in the 2026 Toyota Bajaj model. It now comes with a reinforced body structure, enhanced braking system with front disc brakes, and a newly integrated roll cage system for added protection in the event of a collision. There's also a fire-resistant CNG tank, which adds an extra layer of security for both drivers and passengers. The vehicle meets the latest BSV emission norms, ensuring compliance with environmental standards and keeping running costs under control. Another notable feature is the inclusion of smart connectivity. The rickshaw can be paired with a mobile app that tracks mileage, fuel consumption, and even sends maintenance reminders. This digital edge gives owners more control over vehicle upkeep, reducing downtime and increasing profitability for commercial users. All these improvements come together to position the Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026 as a strong contender in the evolving urban transport landscape. It's built for city navigation, last-mile delivery, and daily passenger runs, all while maintaining a low cost of ownership. With a target audience of small business owners, fleet operators, and everyday drivers, this rickshaw is all set to make a big impact in the market. That wraps up our review of the Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw 2026. If you found this video informative and want more updates like this on the latest vehicles, features, and automotive news, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Auto Mania, powered by CarCrest.